Hey guys, Dirt Rust here. Just got back from the flea market and found a few things. No good deals. This is the only thing I got at the flea market. I got this stuff at a garage sale. I got this toolbox and all the stuff in it for $10. It's a nice little toolbox. It's a stiletto Baker and Hamilton. Reason why I even bought it. Because when I opened it up, I saw this plane in there, and I asked the guy who was pointing down at the box, I said, how much? And he said, what, for just the plane or the box? And I said, well, how much do you want for the whole box? And he said, $10, so I just took it. I didn't really look at much of the other stuff in there, but you can see there's some old soldering irons here, wooden handled stuff. A lot of knickknacks in there. Got this, you call it index for drills. That's pretty cool. I like that. But yeah, here's the star of this show here. The handle's a little bit loose and a little bit chipped there, but I've never owned an old wooden plane like this. It's a Stanley Bailey. I really don't know what these go for, and this one needs a lot of work, but it's pretty cool. Try not to beat it up too much here, but yeah, I think that, oh god, better get this in a safe place here. Sorry guys, let's look at it here. I think what I'll do is take some pictures of it so you guys can see some of the parts close up. There's the Bailey. I'm looking for the Stanley part of it. Anyway, yeah, that was a good get, and I got another little, this for $1, parts and pieces of their Stanley plane, and then I got this tool belt, and I think I can clean it up. It's kind of cool. It's got a little grape knife here. Got a little crescent wrench on there. But I think he cleaned up. I can't really see who the maker is. It's familiar to me, but I think it's a high quality tool belt. And yeah, just gotta clean it up. Alright guys, quick video. That was what I got today, and thanks for watching. Bye.